Friday, October 27th. This is my trade recap for the day. I realize I can probably do all of this on my computer, but time never permits me. So basically, market opened here. So I'm trading futures, I trade NASDAQ. Market opened here. My goal is to look for a fair value gap and a break of structure. Actually, market opened here, sorry. So my bias for the day was bearish. Why was it bearish? Because if I move out to the 30-minute view, I look to see that London took out Asia highs. So I'm waiting for a reversal downward. My overall daily bias is still bullish, but for my intraday trading, it's bearish. So basically, I'm looking for fair value gaps and break of structure. Market opened. This candle, you may not be able to see it, but hold on. It took out the most recent, the old high over here. So I was waiting for a bearish response back, break of structure, fair value gap, equilibrium to be hit. None of that seemed to happen. It happened over here, but then I got stopped out because it reversed right back up. So I just waited. And then I can drop down to the 1 minute. And so basically, I drew this fair value gap here, which got retested with this golden candle basically here. So I entered here. I'm not great at drawing these short position, whatever. I took it down to here, basically, with the stop above here. And that's what this green line is too. I put an alert on the green line as my stop. And so I took this bearish move down, and that was pretty much it. And I got out. Thankfully I did, because now we've reversed. But if you were to take another trade here, if I were to take another trade here, I see this fair value gap, and I see that it was entered, and I would have entered on this bullish. But the problem is, I'm not the type of person who trades to nowhere, because if you were to trade bullish for this day, my goal is where would I be going to? That's kind of how I look at it. I have no previous highs or previous lows, no hourly highs, no hourly lows. Everything was taken out today, and the market has been moving in this upward progression. So I'm very much like, where's the goal? Where's the stop? Tell me where I'm supposed to stop at, type of person. So what I would wait literally is for an inverse or an invalidation of this fair value gap with a touch back in to let me know we're still going down, because there's still like Asia high here. There's still some goals to hit down here that it still could target. So if it invalidated this gap and retested back into it and came down, that would be ideal to take that trade. My SMT divergence was disproven once I had stops above it. And I did have what I marked here, REH, relatively equal highs. I'd marked those off. So my relatively equal highs was also an indicator that I would end up going bearish. And so I had this bearish move. Good thing I'm learning about the market now is that your bias is never wrong. As long as you can prove it, it exists. So somebody else could have had a bullish sentiment. I see bullish here, I see bullish here, I see bearish here. I could be potentially seeing another bearish here. It doesn't matter, as long as you have confirmation and confluences to back it up, and you mark your chart, I think you're good. And so my profit wasn't great because I'm using my trade of 8, and I'm trying to avoid prop firms because that's, as amazing as it is expensive. Every time you get into this crazy drawdown, you're not really, wait, I was trying to log into TradeZilla. TradeZilla, I guess that's not it. Trying to avoid using prop firms because it really is expensive. So let's see if it resync. I think it's this account. I don't know. Dashboard. What is today? Today's the 27th. So, all right. Yeah. There it is. And I'm done.